Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Security or Lock Screen and Password. This is where Emergency Call Quick Access lives. Once there, locate the Emergency Information or Emergency Call Settings entry and tap it. You need your device PIN or password to proceed, so enter it when prompted. This confirms you're the device owner. Don't skip verification because Android protects emergency features to prevent accidental disabling. Now find the emergency call shortcut or quick access option and switch it off. You're telling the phone to stop offering a shortcut from the lock screen. Once you toggle it, confirm any prompts such as turn off or disable. Some Oppo skins require a second confirmation. Make sure to exit settings and lock the phone, then test by waking the screen to ensure the emergency button no longer appears. If it still shows, repeat and double-check the correct menu. Finish by locking and waking the device to verify the emergency button is gone. This confirms the setting took effect. Once done, reboot the phone if the shortcut still appears, because some color OS changes require a restart to apply. If the button persists, make sure your OS is updated and consider resetting only security settings rather than a full factory reset. A key troubleshooting tip: check for carrier or regional overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.